ಉಳಿದ 15 ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಚಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್. whitegold.moneyಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾರಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹಣ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ.
Hi, I am Dr. Sunil Rangaswamy, consultant physician practicing in Bengaluru. May 17 is World Hypertension Day. This day is awareness for everybody. So go get your blood pressure measured in nearby hospitals, clinics or primary health center. High blood pressure is a silent killer because you usually do not have any symptoms and you may not be aware of any damage or complications occurring within your body. Those who are already diagnosed hypertensive are also supposed to maintain their normal range. So get your blood pressure measured regularly and keep it controlled with proper medications. Remember, untreated hypertension may lead to serious health problems like heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, eye damage and even complications during pregnancy. So manage your hypertension by taking proper medications regularly, daily, on time. Eat healthy, low-fat food with lots of fruits and vegetables. Cut down salt. Do walk regularly 30 to 40 minutes every day, at least 6 days in a week. Quit smoking. Avoid alcohol consumption. Do good 6 to 7 hours of sleep. So please go get your blood pressure measured regularly and work up with your doctor to bring it normal and stay safe. Thank you very much.
Issued in public interest by Unison Pharmaceuticals.
ಅವರ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಹವ್ಯಾಸ ಬಾಳುವುದಾ ಅಥವಾ ಬಾಳುವುದಿಲ್ವಾ ಹೇಳುವುದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಠಿಣವಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿರುವ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಬಾಳುತ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೀಸನ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀಸನ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭರವಸೆ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಟಾಟಾ